welcome back to another video with J3. Today we out here, we got a part. It seems like I've been doing stuff to my truck so much that when I have a pause in mods to my truck for like a month, it seems like I don't be doing nothing to my truck. Like I feel like I haven't touched my truck with a new mod in so long. Like that antenna was a mod, but it really wasn't like a real mod. Anyway, besides all that, man, today I got a new part. Actually, I didn't get the part today. I probably had the part for like a week. I ordered it, it came in super fast. It said it was supposed to come in like a week, ended up coming in like 2 or 3 days. So today my dad went and he dropped it off for paint to get it color matched to the truck. And I was real nervous about getting it done because I didn't know if they had the same paint color. I gave him the paint code of the truck and he got it done. He said he could do it. I was real nervous on it, and y'all, he got it done. He got it done. Like it looks identical to that. Like it's probably off by like real slight, but it's basically identical. Y'all, I'm so excited. We dropped it off yesterday, and today I went and got it, and it looked great. So I'm finna just go ahead and show it to y'all, man. There go the part. It's that valence, that lower valence right there that I said I was getting replaced. Y'all see right there, it's cracked. We got a crack right there. Got the rock lights up under there. It's dirty. The same color black don't match. Yeah. So we're gonna be putting this one on. This one is the color match to the truck. Y'all, I'm so excited about getting this done. Like it's so slight. It's something so small, but like I think it's gonna make a big difference. So yeah, anyway, besides all that, man, I got some work to do. We finna get this. We finna get the grill took off. Then we finna take these rock lights off and take them rock lights out. Also, these rock lights in here, they finna come out because, man, I love the lights, but I just gotta say goodbye to the lights on the front. We gonna get, trust me, we gonna get a lot more lights, but for right now, the lights on the front of the truck, they just ain't doing it. So I'm finna get them took off, get them lights took off and everything, and then get started to replacing this valence. I don't really know how to replace this valence. What? I don't know exactly how to replace this valence, but I do know that I can take this front bumper off and then take the parts off the front bumper. So that's the way I'm gonna do it. Now I know on YouTube I saw some other people do it other ways, to where you don't have to do all that. You could just take the part off the bumper or whatever, but the way that I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna take the whole bumper off, and then after I take the whole bumper off, I'm gonna dissect the part, and then I'm gonna put that one in and put everything back on there. Now y'all can figure out y'all own way to do it, but it's just my take on it. So yeah, we about to get that done, and yeah, y'all will probably see this. Y'all will probably just see next the truck taking apart. So yeah. So actually, y'all, I was just gonna skip to tearing the truck apart, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, and yeah, we're gonna do this together because I really don't know how I'm finna do this. So yeah, so I know first off what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the grill off. So first thing to take the grill off, you're gonna take off these 8. It's supposed to be 8, but y'all, if you're a GM owner, you know about these little clips, man. I done lost a few of these little clips right here. I done lost like 4 of them. So it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's supposed to be 8 of them, but I only got 4. I lost 4 of them. Don't even ask me how I lost them, man. I did, but I probably buy some more down the road. But anyway, that's besides the fact. All them little things do is hold this little plastic piece down. So yeah, I'm finna take these out real quick. All right, so we took all the 4 clips out with the little flat head. You just get your little flat head, pry them little clips out, and now these are 10mm bolts right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna take these 10mm bolts out, and then we got clamps right. They're gonna one right here. Then there's one down there. There's one, it's 1, 2 over here. Then it's 2 over there. So we're gonna take them clamps out, and we're gonna take these 4 bolts out, and then the grill gonna come off. All right, guys. So I got the grill taken off. sitting right there on the ground. All right, so I got the grill taken off, and now I had to undo the wires for my rough country pods right there, which are right here. These are the wires for those right there, the braided ones right there and right there. And I took all 8 rock lights out. All right, so we have all 8 rock lights out. Now I have to figure out which one of these wires goes to this battery, because I have so many wires in here, which I said I was going to be cleaning up, but I have not gotten to yet. So right now I'm about to figure out which one of these wires goes to these rock lights, and then we're gonna get them unplugged, and then we're gonna start working on the bumper, taking the bumper off. All right guys, so I got all the rock lights took off. I have the rock lights sitting right here. I got all those took off. So right now I'm just getting wires situated, because yeah, it's just a lot of wires in there. So I'm getting wires situated. That's why my light bar is on, because I've been taking it on and off the battery terminal or whatever. So these rock lights right here, I will be selling these. If you guys want them, email me or snap me, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. Y'all get in touch with me if y'all want them rock lights. I will be cleaning them up. They are 8-pod rock lights. Yeah, 8-pod rock lights, RGB. They do not turn white though. That's the only thing about those rock lights. They are not white. They are only red, green, blue, any other color other than white. So if you want those rock lights, make sure y'all get in touch with me about those. Now, since I have these rock lights off, after I finish dealing with these wires, I'm about to get ready to take this grill off so we can get ready to replace the part. All right guys, so we got the old man out here helping us. Got Jamerson too right here. But yeah, so we finally got the front bumper off right here with the rough country pods in and everything. So here's the truck after the front bumper is off. What you'll need to get that front bumper off is it'll be 2 5/8. I think those are 5/8 right here, bolts right here, and it'll be 2 right here. You take those 2 bolts out, and then right here there will be a 13/16 bolt right there, and it'll be 1 right there, it'll be 1 right there. You take those 6 bolts out, and then you'll be able to pull and remove the bumper, and there it is right there. So now we're about to take that apart so we can get the front valence off and then replace it with that one. All right guys, so I got the bumper off and I got it laid right here on the back of the work truck, and what we're about to do now is take it apart. I've already started to take it apart. Be quiet, bruh. I've already started to take it apart. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to take the black, I'm about to take this part right here, take it apart, take this part off so we can replace it with that one. So just want to show you guys what's holding it together. So I have the bolt sitting right here in this bag, but those caps, there's one cap right there and there's another one. So this cap was held together by just some 10mm bolts right in here, mainly just 10mm bolts. There's one right there, one right there. They're all across the front of here. I had to take my light bar out, and I'm working right here on this one to get this one out. I think this is like the last one that I have to get out. And you just take all of those 10mm bolts. I had 2 screws on this side, not sure why. Not sure if someone has replaced this before or what, but yeah. So it's mainly just 10mm bolts that you have to take out. Once you take those 10mm bolts out, those caps will come off, and then you'll be able to sit those caps down, and then you want to take these 10mm bolts out of the front of it, and then you want to drop this plastic piece down, and then after that it's just putting it back in there, put the new one in there. All right guys, so we finally got the valence put back on. We got everything screwed in right. Now we're getting the bumper taken care of, getting the bumper put back on, but it looks great. I really love the color match, and also it's not cracked anymore. Got a lot of wires hanging under there, but I will be getting those fixed as soon as I finish putting this bumper back on. So all there's left to do is to just put these 4, we got 2 bolts right here, 1, 2 right here, and then we got these 2, 1 and 2 right there. Then we got 1 over there, we got another one back over there to complete that 6, and then we'll have the bumper back on there. All right guys, so we got the bumper bolted back on and bolted back together. So now I have to just put the grill on. This is the piece I put on, that's what I took off. Very big difference. It looks a lot better with this, especially being color matched to the truck. It looks a lot better. I'm ready to see what this grill looks like once I put it on. All right guys, putting the grill back on there, it's really just quick and easy. You put these clips back in the holes right there. One clip in the hole. There's another clip down there that I got to put in the hole. And it's, I want to say 8 of these. And then you got your 4 screws, bolts that go right here, 10mm. Put those in. And then you take that piece with your 4 little tabs. Well, 8 tabs. I only have 4 because I lost a few. Put those back in and your grill's back in. All right, guys. So I finally got everything done. Got everything back on the truck. So it looks great. I really love the way it looks. Now right now I'm about to turn off this light bar so you guys will be able to see it without the light. There we go. So everything looks great. It really transformed the look of the truck. It's crazy how small things can just transform the look of the truck. So everything looks great and complete now. What's going on, YouTube? It's the next day after I've installed this Valance on Zeus, and I really love the look. Like, I just love the look. I'm not sure if I want to color match the rest of the front of the truck or not. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this install? Do y'all like the black with the silver, or what y'all think? Y'all give me y'all honest opinions. Man, I want to say a special thank you to Sanchez Body Shop on this paint. They did a great job. I will be going back to them for other things, for them to get that side painted, and for them to fix the paint on that side of the door like I previously said in my other video. So if you guys are in North Louisiana looking for somebody to paint, color match, anything, make sure y'all go to Sanchez Body Shop. Also, I will be taking my Santa off the antenna now. Christmas time, all the holidays are over with, so I'm done with that. Also, if you guys are doing any installation or anything on your vehicle, make sure you guys are wearing gloves. I usually wear gloves, but yesterday I wasn't wearing gloves and I cut my hand open. So make sure you guys are being safe and doing things to prevent injury. Also, I want to just ask you guys to leave comments. Let me know what y'all think. Should I color match the rest of it? Should I take it off and do chrome? Or do you guys like the black? You guys let me know what y'all think. But that's all I have for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and J3 out.